Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your HP DeskJet 3755 refusing to print, showing errors, staying stuck in the queue, or spitting out blank pages? I know it's super frustrating, especially when you just need one quick document. Well, this is a really common problem and usually comes down to a few simple fixes like connection issues, driver quirks, or a reset. You don't need to be a tech expert to getting it working again. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to troubleshoot and get your HP printer working smoothly again. Alright, let's dive in and sort this out. Method 1. Perform the printer reset. First of all, what we do is ensure that the printer is on by checking the control panel. If you do not have any papers in the document tray, then place some. Now, what we need to do is press the power button after 2 seconds. Press the cancel button for 5 seconds. Then release the cancel button and after 2 seconds, release the power button. After that, wait for the printer to print a page and reset process will be complete. Check if your printer is now working properly. If not, then continue with the further solutions. Method 2. Perform the basic troubleshooting. If the printer light is not printing, then press the Wi-Fi button to fix the connection issue. Ensure that you're using the correct and enough papers in the paper tray. Open the front cover of your printer and check inside to ensure there are no paper pieces stuck inside. Method 3. Perform the hard reset of your printer. First, what we need to do is load some fresh paper in the paper tray and ensure the printer is on. After that, press and hold the control and cancel buttons together for about 15 seconds and then release them. Now, wait for the printer to print a page and your printer's hard reset will be complete.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.